Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Today I'm going to share with you chicken congee. Congee is very traditional Chinese breakfast. Of course, it's also good for lunch, and it's also a good home remedy when you have a stomachache or a cold. It's going to help you to feel better. Of course, it's not going to cure you. And the ingredients are very simple. First, congee in Chinese is
粥.
粥. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have 1 cup of rice. I soaked about an hour, so this way it's going to cook quicker. And 4 dry shiitake mushrooms. I also soaked in cold water about an hour. And we have 2 green onions for garnishing. And I also have 1 piece ginger, peeled. I just need to cut into slivers too. First into thin slices. And for the mushrooms, just need to slice them very thinly, like this. That's all mushrooms. And I already cut some chicken, just half of a chicken breast, cut into thin slivers like this. So we just need to season it. It's a little bit white pepper powder, salt, and a little bit, this is potato starch. You can also use corn starch. And we add a little bit of oil. Remember this, right? This is a process of velveting. This is how we make chicken very tender. So basically we seal it moist and seasoning. Now I'm going to rinse the rice and we'll be ready to cook. I have 7 cups of water. I'm using the rice measuring cup, whatever cup you use. So that's how you measure your water. And I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken stock for flavor. Of course, homemade chicken stock, even better, right? This is a store-bought. Now turn the heat up. Add the rice. Just stir it. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Now the water is boiling. Let's add mushrooms. And turn the heat to low. Cover it. Just leave a little bit opening, so this way it's not going to overflow. And we're going to cook about 40 minutes. We have 10 more minutes to go. Let's check on our congee. It's been simmering nicely. Of course, alternatively, you can cook in a slow cooker, right? You see how the rice has expanded? Okay, cover it. Actually, you can cover completely since we're simmering. It's not going to overflow. 10 more minutes. Now 40 minutes have passed. So open up. Turn the heat to high. We're going to add chicken. Just break a little bit. Let this cook about 2 to 3 minutes. Also, we add our ginger. Now we just add a little bit of salt to your taste. You can always add salt when you serve it. And our chicken congee is ready. Looking good, right?
Looks great.
Smells good. I normally just add a little bit white pepper powder. Ooh. And garnish with some green onions. That's our chicken congee. Ready to try?
Yeah, it looks delicious.
You like ginger, right?
I love the ginger, yeah.
Enjoy. Congee requires a spoon.
That's great.
Delicious, right? Such comfort food.
Wow.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Chicken very tender, right?
Chicken's awesome. And the rice.
And mushroom so flavorful. Don't you love the ginger taste?
I love it.
Really, when you have a cold, right? It's gonna help you to make you feel better. Yeah, if you have more time, you can even simmer longer. Please leave me a comment below if you ever made congee. What's your favorite congee? And please try to make it. I'm also going to list my another video of how to make rice and then congee in the description box. Check it out. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.